Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, it's Ethan, it's Mike. We're working on the Eclipse today. We know there's a power leaking line on it, so we're gonna put it up, take a look at it, see what's going on, and we'll go with it. Almost like every day of my life. See, we can just put music over this.
The music is my voice.
I love it. And then if you plop it down while it's like out of frame and just like half an inch off the ground, then it's gonna look real dope.
So there's a lot of leakage. It's hard to focus that.
This is where it's really.
It was great because you actually got to see the drop. Got to see my sadness. Can't find it, but it's in there. It's right here. It's the tie rod. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So what we gotta do is we gotta get in here and get this whole assembly out. We're just gonna replace this right here. Hopefully it won't be too crazy. We're gonna find out. Let's get this, Ethan. Okay. Oh, you mean those two little line nuts that are terrible and make everyone want to die?
The two line nuts, like record the two line nuts. Right now, I'm getting the fuck out of here. There's two. And now we can drop that.
Just so you guys know, these two bolts suck ass.
3 hours. 3 hours.
For two bolts. Because they're old. And there's like no space between them. Alright guys, so it's really important whenever you get a new part for your car, make sure you're getting a quality part. For stuff like power steering and things of the like, it's always good to get as close to OE as you can. And that's exactly what we're here. Since this car is actually from 2004, you don't have too many brand new OE parts, so this is a reman one. And whenever you buy a reman part, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to return the old part, and you're gonna get a core fee back after that. For this one, the core fee is about $20, so you just put the part in the box and you take it back to them. So let's check out the part. So all the first little goodies.
Don't worry.
Ta-da! Now, since we're doing a power steering rack, these little tickets come in real handy to let you know what you gotta do. This one is just saying, hey, don't void your warranty, be sure to flush your system, which is good because the old system can have like dirt and stuff in it and you don't want that to ruin your brand new rack. And then when you buy OE, you also get nifty little instruction booklets that just help with the installation in case you're new to this. So let's get started.
Alright, so we actually got everything back in. All looking good. Look at that. Can't even tell we were just all up in there. Next thing we gotta do is we got to put the new fluid in and turn the steering wheel a bunch of times. That way we can get it ready and we're not running it dry. Because that's like the last thing you want to do.
How you feeling, bud?
Yeah, so do I.